Introducing the TX7220 Addressable Dual Input-Output Module, a compact, intelligent interface designed to provide double the integration capacity for complex addressable fire alarm systems. The TX7220 delivers reliable monitoring and control through two independently configurable circuits, each operating as a 24 VDC/2A relay output for control applications, or as a monitored input circuit for fire or supervisory signals, enabling seamless integration with a wide range of field devices across an entire building. Key specifications: EN 54-18 certified. Loop or external power supply. Dual circuit, output or input configurable. Address range, 1 to 254. LED status indication for normal, active, and fault conditions. Compact, easy to install, and engineered for dependable performance. TX7220. Dual intelligence. Precise control. Built for professional fire safety solutions.